Two email marketing giants. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Constant Contact, full-service marketing with advanced support. And on the right, MailerLite, sleek, simple, affordable email marketing. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. First up, let me show you a quick mind map of everything we're going to cover. We've got price and plans, features, deliverability, analytics and reporting, templates and design, customer support, and finally, ease of use. Yep, we're breaking down every angle so you can pick the one that actually fits your workflow and budget. Let's kick things off with price and plans. Okay, Constant Contact starts at a competitive entry price, and you get a 14-day free trial, which is decent. But heads up, those slick templates and a bunch of key features, you need the paid plan. And the starting cost is just a bit higher, especially if you're looking for something super affordable. Now, MailerLite is where it gets interesting. Not only does it have a lower starting price at around $9 a month, but you get a whopping 30-day free trial, and there's even a free plan. But same story. Templates are locked behind the paid tiers. Still, overall, if your wallet's doing most of the talking, MailerLite is absolutely the winner here. No contest. All right, moving on to features. And this is where Constant Contact really flexes. We're talking over 200 email templates, an AI content generator that's available on literally all plans, and a seriously stacked lineup. Automation, CRM, event marketing, even SMS and social integration. Plus, get this, over 5,000 integrations. The only thing is, the automations feel a little basic when you get deep. Now, with MailerLite, the interface is super friendly. The drag-and-drop editor is honestly one of the easiest to use. And you get automation workflows, landing pages, websites, even a blog builder. But compared to Constant Contact, the automation and AI features are less advanced and only show up on the higher plans. And yeah, there's just 139 integrations versus Constant Contact's army. So for sheer muscle and variety, Constant Contact takes the win here by a mile. Next up, deliverability. I mean, you can have the fanciest emails, but if nobody gets them, what's the point, right? So Constant Contact actually rates pretty high for deliverability. They're known for being reliable and have solid sender infrastructure. But according to independent tests, MailerLite edges them out just a bit. MailerLite basically takes the crown here with one of the highest deliverability scores in 2025, thanks to strong account vetting, which means less spam. There's a downside though. You might face a bit of a delay getting started because of the approval. Still, for peace of mind, MailerLite wins in this category. Oh, and a quick fun fact before we get into the final breakdown. Did you know MailerLite actually started as a small side project out of Lithuania? Yep. And now they help over 1 million businesses around the world. Wild, right? All right, analytics and reporting, something I geek out about. Constant Contact just goes all in here. Their dashboards are detailed. Like, you get advanced reporting for optimization, slicing and dicing data however you need. There's honestly nothing really to nitpick here. MailerLite is a little simpler. You do get easy to understand stats, opens, clicks, device info, all that. But if you want deeper insights or more advanced views, you're going to miss that. So if you love knowing exactly what's working and what isn't, the win goes to Constant Contact on this one. Okay, let's talk templates and design. Constant Contact rolls out the red carpet. Over 200 professional templates, drag and drop customization. You're legit spoiled for choice, no matter what look you're after. MailerLite does have customizable templates, and their editor is super easy. Honestly, great for beginners, but the library is much smaller. And if you're on the free plan, sorry, no templates for you. So, if visuals matter in your campaigns, Constant Contact is definitely the winner here. Now, customer support. Constant Contact is kind of legendary here. You get phone support on all plans, live chat, a personalized onboarding call, even an extensive help library. It's kind of hard to beat if you want to talk to an actual human ASAP. MailerLite, meanwhile, sticks to email and chat support. Their self-serve resources are super handy, but sadly, no phone support. And sometimes the response time drags a bit. So, hands down, Constant Contact wins if support is your thing. Last but not least, ease of use. Constant Contact's interface is actually pretty intuitive. Quick setup for basic stuff. But I'll be honest, if you're just starting out, Their feature-rich dashboard can feel a little overwhelming. MailerLite, on the other hand, is basically plug and play. Straightforward setup, minimal learning curve. Just a heads up, the classic editor does glitch occasionally. Still, for simplicity and getting started fast, MailerLite takes the win. All right, here's that radar chart so you can see side by side how both Constant Contact and MailerLite stack up across every category. It really highlights where each brand shines, and honestly, it's closer than you'd think in some areas. So, wrapping it all up, here's my take. If you're after a full-featured marketing machine, tons of templates, and really want top-drawer support, Constant Contact is your go-to. But if you're thinking simplicity, top deliverability, and you want to get running without overthinking costs, MailerLite is the clear choice for startups and folks who literally just want to send great emails without the fuss. Before you go, let me know in the comments which email platform you'd pick and what you want me to compare next. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an honest, in-depth breakdown like this.